Hello and welcome back, my friends. Today we are doing Halloween crafts. I am in my Halloween sweater. My belly hangs out of it. We're gonna have some fun. So we have 4 crafts here today. 2 from Dollar Tree and 2 from Michael's. We are going to start with this very beautiful headband from Dollar Tree. Okay, headband craft kit. Let's see if there's anything else we'll need. Don't think so. Let's just rip into it and see how to do it. All right, so we have the headband. We have the spider, we have the spider details, and we have the spider legs. Are we gonna need glue? Because there's literally no directions on here. Okay, let's see what happens. Do, 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 do. Kind of annoying that there's like no glue and it doesn't even say that you'll need glue. Come on, set me up for success, Dollar Tree. I'm already over this project. Okay, got the hardest part down. So now it looks like we attach this to this. Nope, nope, doesn't work. All right. Maybe we can just let that dry right there. Let's try sticking on the legs. So I'm gonna fold it so it has a little thing to stick pretty easily too. Hopefully that will work. They only gave me 6 legs. You know, I was watching Rosanna something, the baker girl, and her and Justine were making a pumpkin, and Justine got a spider pumpkin, and they only gave him 6 legs. That's doesn't feel correct to me. So I guess it's just an insect of some sort. Like, why couldn't they just have included 2 more? Like, okay, while you guys sit there and dry, we'll put this on. Oh. Well, that's not gonna work very well. All right, so I'm just gonna call this one a fail. Okay, next. Let's just go next in line. We have a paint set. All right, let's see how this goes. All right, with this paint set, we have 3 colors. Purple, green, orange, and a paintbrush. You can't get too picky. Let's see how the coverage goes. Oh. Okay, all right. Not terrible. The paintbrushes could definitely be better. I think the best way to paint this would probably just be paint it and then take a Sharpie and outline the black parts. All right. Okay, next Okay, so the first one we have from Michael's is a trick or treat little wreath. This one, unlike the other one, has instructions. So that's nice. And it has the contents, but it doesn't say if we need anything else. So let's see. So this is $3 versus that one, which was $1. Okay, step number 1. Take the circle out of the wreath. Wad it up and put it on. How do you put it on without any glue there, Michaels? Oh, we're supposed to put this on first. I would say that, you know, it's fine to not have everything in the package as long as you don't advertise that you don't need anything else. However, you really need to say if you need another thing. However, this one seems like it will be better quality, so I'm not mad at it. Also, look how basic these instructions are. I wonder if there'll even be enough tissue paper to cover. Do I have to like loosen them then? Yes. Hey, I'm recording over here. Okay, I guess we'll use our glue again. Just gonna do like that. I don't like this. I'm OCD, and the fact that it doesn't like stay how it should, like, honestly, what I would have wanted to do is like back in kindergarten or whatever, you take a pencil and you take the tissue paper and you put the glue on that and then it sticks like up. Like that's what I would want to do with this, but clearly there is not enough tissue paper and I want it to be in a circle. I don't want it to unravel, but like doesn't do it very well. Whatever, we're not done yet, so. Okay, let's see how this dries. It dried pretty good, all right. So, oh, I had extra. Like when you have extra screws in the kit, like you don't need to put it on there. It's just for if you ran out, right? Sure. All right, so these luckily look like they have stickies on them. I wonder how easily they'll actually stick though. Or, oh, is the or 2 colors? It is. How fun. You know, I will say at least I can do this one. The other one I wouldn't be able to finish. Sorry, dude. I don't mean to squish you. He's pushing up on me. Mom, why are you squishing me, you jerk? Sorry. Terrible posture, kid. That's why. Trick or treat. As long as you love me. You guys watch the Slash Street Boys, I think. As long as they're bloody. Do parodies of Backstreet Boys. It's pretty funny. Pretty funny. You should check them out. Boop beep bop beep boop beep blue. Boopy doopy doopy doop. I'm almost 30. I need to remind myself sometimes because I act like I'm 7. But you know what? That's okay because I like acting like I'm 7. Life is too short to make it serious. And also, life is too shitty to take it seriously. Life is also too good to take it seriously. So just enjoy the moment you're in. If it is a shitty moment that's happening to you, know that it will get better. And if you consistently tell yourself it's not going to get better, then you're putting that out into the universe, and that is all on you. Got to tell yourself in the shitty times that this is only temporary and it will get better. And if you don't believe it, then that is also on you. You need to start thinking about the positives that have happened in your life and quit just assuming that it's gonna be negatives. I know, I used to be super negative and woe is me. Until it just didn't work for me anymore. Then I changed the way I thought. And now life is fucking fantastic. Pumpkin. Pumpkin, how's your life? I think your life is probably pretty fantastic too. What is this? Oh, it's his stem. At least I only needed glue for that one part. That makes this a lot nicer and more forgivable. I wonder if these have stickies or if I'm gonna have to glue them. You know, this would be easier if I had feeling in my fingers. You know what? We're gonna glue it just in case. I don't wanna rip it apart. Oh, very nice peepers there. Jeepers creepers, where'd you get those peepers? Jeepers creepers, where'd you get that smile? Oh, this has a sticky back, but that doesn't make any sense. Because half of it's gonna be stuck. The other half is gonna be exposed. It just doesn't make sense to me. G-R-E-A-T. I can spell. Pumpkin, you gotta stay there. And by pumpkin, I mean Jack. I'm sorry I called you by your generic name. I apologize. That was rude of me. Shh, I am filming. Okay, Jack, hold on. Never let go, Jack. Never let go. I think it's pretty cute. It's definitely cheesy, but for $3, I think it's great. Unlike some crafts. All right, here we are to the grand finale and the biggest one. Ryder's trying to sneak out of my shirt. Be appropriate, young man. We are going to make a witch's castle. Bum, bum, bum. I have high hopes for this. Oh, it says about 45 minutes. Challenge accepted. It also says for 6 and up. So, ooh, this is pretty. It's like unicorn skin. Some white stuff. Oh, with the stickers. I'm just gonna do that right now because that seems fun. Okay, so it's these kind of stickers that don't really, they're cut a little too deep. Oh, and they're fragile. I'm already ripping one. Oopsies. Okay, beautiful. Oh, there's more. Waka, waka, waka. That's what kind of face she looks like. Waka, waka, waka. If you don't know that reference, ooh, yikes. You might be a little too young. You know, I might have put this one on backwards. Oh, there we go. That fits much better. Much better. Okay. Okie dokie. Oh, look at that. We got a nice instruction manual. Dun 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 dun. How adorable is that? pretty freaking adorable. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Tell me what your favorite craft was down in the comments. I hope you had a wonderful time. I hope I entertained you at least a tiny bit. I hope I got a little bit of snicker. Oh, and this took me 30 minutes, but at the same time, I didn't do all the steps. Like, I still have a whole bunch of things not used, so. Guess what? I don't care. I'm Sam, and I'm simply doing the things that I need to do, want to do, or things that I think will be fun and bringing you along with me. Thank you, like always, for sticking around. I love all of you, and you have a wonderful day. Bye.